What's up, YouTubers? TV Reactions with Daniel Hedrick here, and welcome back to One Stormy Night, which what I like to call the Himitsu no Tomodachi version of One Stormy Night. So, on the last video, I couldn't finish the whole video, because, it's like, 19 minutes long, and, my videos can only last for, like, 12 or 13 minutes, so I had to stop it. But don't worry, this is part 2, and I'm gonna try my best to finish the rest. So I hope you enjoy this. Okay, let's finish this episode. This is gonna be so cute.
Stormy.
One stormy night.
One stormy night.
One stormy night.
they just started smiling again all of a sudden.
I was shocked too. I never dreamed you'd be a goat.
And the presents we brought for each other. A 4-leaf clover.
Yeah, we sure are on the
Oh
same
man, I ship them so hard.
But no matter how much we think alike, I can't believe I promised a wolf that I'd meet him for lunch.
I can't believe it either. I'm going to have lunch with my lunch. Oh, sorry about that.
It's okay. If I was going to be your lunch, you would have eaten me back at the hut, right?
What? Well, yeah, I guess. But you know, I may not look it, but to me, friendship is the most important thing in the world. But you know, kiddo, I'd be in a lot of trouble if somebody saw us here together. Huh?
Same here. If anybody caught us like this, I'd never hear the end of it.
You said it. Huh? What's so funny?
I was just thinking how funny it is that we can't tell anybody about our secret.
Yeah, you're right. We're secret friends.
Secret friends.
I'm surprised he's not eating her right now.
A rock slide.
A rock slide? Let me look. Oh, yeah.
So?
So, this is nothing. I'm used to stuff like this.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. My lunch.
Are you alright?
I can go 2 or 3 days without eating. No problem.
But last night, didn't you say that you have a huge appetite?
I did? Did I say that?
Yes, you did. But right now, I'm a bit more worried about...
About what?
about you.
Just thinking about the lunch I
He
lost.
just forgot that, he was about to fall.
Oh, that looks good.
Don't even think about it, Gabu.
No. Yikes.
We're here.
come on, Gabu. I bet she would understand if you said that.
You lost your lunch.
Yeah, tough luck.
We can share. I have enough grass here.
What?
Oh, I guess you have to have meat, huh?
No, not at all.
I'll bet the lunch that you dropped probably had goat meat.
What? No, no way. I don't even like goat meat. I thought I told you that.
Maybe you did.
Of course I did. Don't worry about me. Go ahead and eat. I'll just take a nap for a bit.
Are you sure? Well then, I'll just have a quick bite. Here's to good food!
Well, I could
Poor
say that I
Gabu.
do have my lunch right behind me. I'm so hungry.
Please don't eat her.
I've been eating goat meat
You
since I was
promised.
a pup. I can tell what one tastes like just by looking at it. A bit fatty. The flavor fills the mouth.
Yum! That was a good lunch. Yum! That was good. I'm so full, I think I need a nap now.
Yeah, she's a good kid. Good enough to eat. Wonder if she'd mind if I nibbled on her ear.
Okay, that's really creepy, Gabu.
But it'd probably hurt a lot and get all bloody. You were just tricking me to get me up here so you could have me for dinner. No, I wasn't. I just wanted a little taste, that's all. I don't believe a word of what you say. You have to believe me. We're friends. There's no way we can stay friends if you eat my ear. Yeah, you're right. That's how it would end up.
Well, Gabu, did that me impression really help you?
That tickles.
What?
I'm ticklish. Especially my ears. That was a good nap. What's the matter?
Nothing. There's nothing.
You're silly. Well, I guess it's time to start heading back.
Yeah, better get going.
Don't eat your friend, Gabu.
This is where we have to say goodbye. What's wrong, Babu? Are you okay?
That's a really creepy look.
You. I'm going this way. That was fun today. Bye.
No, I can't. I can't stand it anymore.
Oh my gosh!
What's come over you?
I forgot to tell you something really important.
Okay, that's really creepy.
What's that?
I can't stand it anymore.
Sorry guys, it's something in the kitchen making that noise.
When can we meet again?
It's so cute! I'm telling you guys. Oh man, I ship them so hard. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, YouTubes. Have a nice day. And I hope I do more TV reactions with Daniel Hedrick. But anyway, you guys on YouTube, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I make more. And have a nice day, guys.